How to successfully create an Amazon seller account and scale up your account without getting banned. Let's explore this topic in this Selling on Amazon Guides series with Hidemyacc. In the first part, let's analyze the reasons why Amazon accounts get banned and gather the necessary materials you need to prepare before selling on Amazon. Amazon has two main models for you to choose from. First is Amazon Seller Central, which is the model Hidemyacc will guide you through in this series. There are two types of accounts you can choose from, individual and professional. With an individual account, you will be free from the monthly registration fee. However, Amazon will charge you 99 cents for each product sold. When you register for a professional account, Amazon will charge nearly $40 per month to maintain the account. In addition, when you make sales, Amazon will charge a commission fee ranging from 6% to 45% of the total value of the goods you sell, depending on the category you choose. For newbies who just want to get familiar with the platform and understand how Amazon works, you can register for an individual account to explore. If you really want to start a business and make a profit from Amazon, the professional plan will be more suitable for you. It comes with many useful features, such as FBA, Fulfillment by Amazon, services. The second model of Amazon is Merch by Amazon. This is a platform dedicated to those who do print on demand. You can sell your designs, such as images, slogans, clothing, etc. Tasks like printing, production, packaging, and shipping are handled by Amazon. Additionally, there is also Amazon Associate. But in today's video, Hidemyacc will briefly introduce the business models on Amazon so you can understand the basic ideas. In the following parts, Hidemyacc will guide you more specifically on how to register an account. Whether you are a newly created account or have consistent sales, Amazon can still suspend your account if any unusual behavior is detected. There are three common reasons for this. First is mismatched information. The second is account link issues. And lastly is how you maintain and use the account. First, mismatched information. For example, information on the bank card doesn't match the name on the ID card. Or the information you use was previously used to register another Amazon account. In many cases, when you want to register to sell in another country, you may purchase user info from that country. However, the information is often sourced unethically, so it's prone to being duplicated with accounts that have been suspended or those that are still active. When you register to sell, Amazon will ask you to record a video for verification, so ensure that the information you use is legitimate. Each Amazon account should have a separate email, phone number, address, and bank account for easier verification. The second cause is account link issues, which most of you who maintain large numbers of accounts may encounter. This happens when Amazon detects that you are logging into multiple accounts on the same device and IP address. When one account is banned, all related accounts may be banned as well. Amazon will detect based on two main factors: IP address and device specifications. If you want to create separate environments for multiple accounts, you need to change these two factors. For the IP address, you can use a proxy, preferably a static residential IPv4 proxy. You can buy a few to test first to see if they are suitable for maintaining your account. If the quality is good, you can buy in bulk. For device specifications, using browser fingerprinting technology, Amazon can detect the computer and browser specifications you are using. For example, operating system, screen resolution, time zone, fonts, browser plugins, etc. Antidetect browser tools, such as Hidemyacc, are the best solutions for creating separate environments for each account. Each Antidetect browser profile will have its own set of browser fingerprints. You can add a proxy to change the IP address for each profile. When comparing two Antidetect browser profiles, they will have different specifications and work separately, even if they run on the same machine. The third reason is how you maintain and use the account. For example, listing a large number of products after creating the account. Using exactly the same description and images from an existing listing. Amazon will see this as spam behavior and a copyright violation. Logging in from multiple devices or IPs within a short period. Or continuously changing important account information. Especially if you enter unreasonable warehouse and shipping information, Amazon will also view this as spam behavior. For example, you declare a warehouse in one country but then create a shipping plan to send goods from another country. In conclusion, to successfully create an Amazon seller account and minimize the risk of being suspended, you need to prepare the following materials. Personal information for each account, such as email, phone number, address, bank account, etc. A unique IP address for each account. A browser profile with different browser fingerprints for logging into each account. Above, Hidemyacc has just introduced the common reasons why Amazon seller accounts get banned and the basic materials needed to register an account. In the next part, Hidemyacc will guide you step by step on how to register a seller account. Thank you for watching the video. If you find it useful, please like and subscribe to the Hidemyacc YouTube channel so you don't miss the next parts. If you have any questions, leave a comment or contact the Hidemyacc support team via live chat for assistance.